Have you ever been in a situation where you haven't seen someone for a long time? And you just don't know what to say? It's a common struggle for many English learners when it comes to using the idiom long time no see. Today, we're going to change that and help you master this everyday expression. Let me share a funny story that perfectly illustrates how this idiom can be misunderstood. My friend, Sarah, recently ran into her old classmate at the grocery store. She excitedly exclaimed, "Long time no see," and the classmate looked at her, puzzled, and replied, "What do you mean? I've been here the whole time." So, what does long time no see actually mean? This idiomatic expression is used to greet someone you haven't seen in a while. It's a casual way to acknowledge the time that has passed since your last encounter. Now, let's see how long time no see is used correctly. My friend, Alex, ran into his old college roommate at the park. "Long time no see, man," Alex exclaimed, shaking his friend's hand enthusiastically. "I know, right? It's been ages." "How have you been?" his friend replied, happy to reconnect. Here are some examples of how you can use long time no see in different contexts. Long time no see, Sarah. "How's the new job going?" "It's been a long time no see, Professor. I hope you've been well." "Long time no see, my friend. I was starting to think you'd forgotten about me." To help you remember the meaning of long time no see, try picturing two people greeting each other after a long separation. The visual of them excitedly reconnecting can serve as a helpful memory aid. Did you know that the origin of long time no see is actually quite fascinating and debated by linguists? One theory suggests it might come from Native American languages, while another points to Chinese Pidgin English. It likely emerged in the late 19th or early 20th century. Over time, the idiom has become a staple in casual conversations around the world. Some similar idioms to long time no see include "It's been ages" and "Where have you been?" On the other hand, "We just saw each other yesterday" or "I just spoke to you last week" would be the opposite of long time no see. Related expressions might include "It's been a while" or "We haven't caught up in a while." Let's try using long time no see in a sentence. "It was so great to see my old friend from high school at the reunion. Long time no see." Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. "It was so great to see my old friend from high school at the reunion. I hadn't seen them in years." I recently had a wonderful experience using long time no see in a conversation. I ran into my former coworker at the grocery store, and we both exclaimed, "Long time no see." It was the perfect icebreaker to catch up on each other's lives. One common mistake when using long time no see is to say, "It's been a long time no see." This is grammatically incorrect, as the idiom is already in the past tense. Another mistake is to use long time no see when you've actually seen the person recently. It's important to use this idiom only when it's been a significant amount of time since your last encounter. Now, let's test your understanding of long time no see with a few quizzes. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom long time no see? A. I haven't seen you in a while. B. I just saw you yesterday. C. I'm not sure what you mean. Answer A. 2. Which of the following is a synonym for long time no see? A. It's been ages. B. I just saw you. C. We're not close anymore. Answer A. 3. Which of the following is an antonym for long time no see? A. It's been a while. B. We just caught up. C. I haven't seen you in forever. Answer B. In summary, long time no see is a widely used idiom that expresses the joy of reconnecting with someone you haven't seen in a while. Mastering this expression can help you communicate more naturally and effectively in English, especially in casual conversations. Now that you know how to use long time no see properly, go out there and start practicing. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with using the idiom long time no see. Try using it in a sentence in the comments, and let me know if you have any other questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful English idiom lessons.